Okay, I just wanted to show you how we are adding in class for some of my kids struggling with numeracy. So I've had some questions about this. And what are the students talking about? We're starting with our ones. There's 8 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go into my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into and then I'm going to put the next number underneath. So I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 7 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to start my actual operation. My operation is addition. I'm looking for sum. And so the next step will be to start with our ones. And that's something you really need to talk to the kids a lot about, because they always want to start in the hundreds, and then their problem starts already having problems. So we start in our ones and we count our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I have 10, I have to take my group of 10, and that's no longer just ones. That's a group of 10. So I have one group of 10 now, and I've got to remember to add that over there. And so all that's left is this one. So I have 1, 1. Then I go to my tens and I count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, group of 10. 10 tens is 100. So I'm going to put plus 1 here. And I only end up with 3 tens, and everything else got moved over to my hundreds place. So now I'm going to count my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A group of 10. That's going to make it move over here to the thousands. So I have 4 100s. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to have 1 1000. So that is how we're doing it for my students who are struggling with numeracy. And that's how they're moving their stuff around and keeping track of things.